What's going on?
No!
Yeah!
Wait! No! Oh, that was weird. Ow, my back! Ow, my arm! Oh, hi, Pomni. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes.
Well, that's good. Don't worry about yesterday, though. You let me get through punch the wall and stuff. What? Yeah, just forget about yesterday. Are you trying to say you're better than me? Wait, what? I didn't say anything. Well, I guess you can call that a punch. Oh, son of a...
Whee! Oh, man. Hey, guys. Today's adventure is going to be Candy Carrier Chaos.
And
it
I'm
seems like
going to bring low the most valuable resource. This, right here.
Did I tell you you can come on?
Oh, well, you told me to come out this time.
Yes, but my car broke down. You were trained for this.
How was I meant to know?
You're done. Out. Get out! Out!
I want my paycheck. A whole kingdom of candy, though? That sounds marvelous.
Yeah, very marvelous indeed, Bubble.
Oh, sounds so freaking... Cars 3.
Boo. Okay, guys, in you go. Happy travels. Have fun. You're a freak.
Whoa, look who's talking, you freak!
Whoa!
Magical.
Amazing! Guys, look at the castle!
We only just got here and I already love this place.
Guys, look!
The princess! Hi! You must be the brave, handsome warrior sent by God to help with our crippling sugar addiction! Or the other thing!
Look, Pomni. Maybe we can be friends with the Candy Princess. Shut up! Okay, I'm not 12! Dummy. Oh.
Yeah, so we were robbed, and, the bandits that robbed us use a syrup tanker. So, we're gonna give you one so you can murder them.
Yeah!
Ah, my back! Hey, Hard Top Sunscreen Eater, here's the keys to my kingdom, and don't spend it all in one place.
Oh, thank you, I guess.
Holy heck, yes! I call shotgun.
Ah, I have a horn!
Oh, no, I don't like that. Gangle, you drive.
Bye, guys! Don't mess us up!
And off they were on their merry way. Zoom didn't come because they were stupid.
Yeah, you thought I was dead. I'm still
You think your mom's gonna like me when we go back to the village?
Well, I'm pretty sure she will. What's there not to like about you?
Well, there's nothing to like about you, but I want to be just like my mother.
Oh my god, they set something up for us, guys! Get in the car! Get in the car!
Alright, so Gangle, once we eventually catch up to them, I want you to throw me out the window with all your might directly at them.
What? That's so messed up, Jax. Why would you say that?
Doesn't your roleplay name say cute, nice, single? Oh, hold on a sec. Oh my god, okay, that's better. Oh.
Phew. Thank God I held on to
Okay, nice, Pomni, just hold still, I gotta get some.
Jax, you piece of shit.
Jax, you just activated a quick time event! Gangle, hurry! Hit the triangle button right now!
Wait, what? Why?
Yeah, you should have paid attention, buddy!
Oh my god! I'm like, what in the world? Oh, who's this handsome man? Wait. Where are we?
I don't know.
What is all this?
Dude, I just got here. What? I don't know.
Wait, why isn't you or any of your friends down here?
Dude, I just... probably because we're not NPCs.
NPCs? What are you trying to say? That you're going silent
Can
enough?
you shut up?
Who am I?
I don't know, some off-brand gummy bear?
Where's my mom?
Is your mother fat?
Why? Because you're fat? No, I'm not.
Man, where the heck are we? Hey guys.
Who are you?
I am the great mighty Goo, and I'm going to throw my at you. Oh, that's great. Thanks a lot, Gangle.
I hate you! So, do you want to try, leaving? Are you okay?
No!
Hold it together. Do you want to talk about it?
What are you talking about? I'm nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Everything about me is fake.
Yeah.
I was made just to be an optional man. What even?
Well, I'm from this weird circus place, and there's a lot of weird freaks there, so you'll blend right in.
But I'm not even a real person. Where do I even belong?
Well, neither are we. Have you seen us? And, I can use a therapist.
I mean, I guess I can try.
Well, that's great. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me just,
Hey guys, you don't have a second truck that flies, do you?
Wow, you guys actually did it! This kingdom will thrive! Man, I just hate my life, man! I hate this world, man! Okay, you guys can leave now. Bye-bye. Go!
Oh, I guess I didn't leave the gate unlocked for nothing after all.
Wait, you did what now?
Jax, what?
Okay, see you guys. Welcome back, my juicy dumplings.
You know what? Maybe my life will be so bad after all.
Oh, no! What if those things got through?
What?
What? Why?
I know you guys love your little fanfic characters, but too many characters get